Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So for today's video, I will show you how to apply for a visa going to Ireland. Because last year I visited Ireland, but that was November to December. That was winter time. But this time it's summertime in Ireland. So let's give it a try. How's the summertime there? So if you have a girlfriend or a friend also that wants to visit you in Ireland and you want to sponsor them, this video is for you. Or if you are a citizen of the country that needs a visa going to Ireland, just keep on watching. This is very easy, straightforward process. You don't need an agent or agency to apply for to process your visa. Just do it yourself. If you are here in Thailand, the visa application fee is 2,700 for single entry. So keep on watching, and if you have any suggestions or any questions, please leave a comment in comment section below. I'll be happy to give you answers. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly click on subscribe button. Thank you so much guys, and have a safe trip. So first, you just have to go to Ireland immigration website. So this is the website. You click on visit, and then click on apply for visa or short stay. Scroll down below and click on. So this is the first step you need to do. You have to create your visa application online. So click that one. I'll include this link in this video description, so it will brings you straight to this website, or to this page. Just click in this, just tick the box, and then start your application. So just fill up the form. It's a very easy questions there that you need to fill up, and then after you finish that, you need to print the document or that application form and include all these documents that you need to submit in Ireland Embassy. So if you are located here in Thailand, we have an embassy in Bangkok. So these are the requirements: passport, photographs, medical and travel insurance, then application letter. If you don't know how to make an application letter or you need a template, then just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you and give you a template. Invitation, same as the invitation letter. I'll be happy to provide you that if you need help. So yep, everything is written there what you need to include in the invitation letter. Actually, in the invitation letter, guys, these are only for the sponsors. So if you have a sponsor, or you have girlfriend or boyfriend or a friend that will sponsor for your visit, and you will stay with them on their property, or on their address, then they need to write you a letter. So all you gotta do, just make that letter and then have them sign it for you. Just scan, so they just can sign it. If they're in Ireland, they just have to scan that document after they print it out. After they sign for it. So yeah, application summary, that's the one from Avas, the first step that we have done. So holiday and vacation plan, that's the address where you will be staying. If you have a sponsor and you will stay on their address, you just need their either ID, or if the bank statement of them, they have their address, that's enough. Or if they have land title of their property that they own, or any billing, as long as it shows their address, should be accurate. Address should be the same. Whatever that you write down in your invitation letter or application letter should be the same. So visa payment, you have to pay that in the embassy if you are here in Thailand. I'm not sure with the other countries if you have to pay cash, but here in Thailand, in Bangkok, you have to pay cash. So finances, this is your bank statement. If you have no sponsor, you just have to print your 6 months bank statement latest. If you have a sponsor, you need to include their bank statement, at least the latest 3 months. So if they can provide you 3 to 6 months, better, and make sure they sign the print out the printed bank statement once they provide you. And it says there, if you get approved, you need to buy an insurance. Make sure you have insurance, because Ireland won't let you in if you don't have an insurance. So this is the insurance company that I use. You just have to go to this website. It says World Trips Travel Insurance. So I used them last year. It's very cheap, guys. So this is the legit website. Just fill it up so you know how much you have to pay, your citizenship. So since I'm a Filipino, here is the Philippines. So go Philippines, home country, where you're going, and then click on Ireland. Then get a code. You don't need to, it's just optional, so I didn't click anything. And then just sign up whenever you're going. So since like I'm flying on September for here, September 6th, be back on the 18th, so I'll be covered from the 6th to the 18th. And my birthday, where is October? Why it's not there? So just click on something. Fill up your birthday. Seriously. Oh, it's because 2025. So I put my birth year. Oh my god, my age is gonna get busted now. So I'm born 1986. That's year of the tiger. And I'm October. I'm a Libra. But the date, I'm not gonna tell you the date of my birthday. But yeah, I'm October 1986. I am a Libra, year of the tiger. So it shows there the coverage. How much? So on my dates, that will be the cost of my insurance that I have to purchase. Then yeah, you have an option, so you just have to select whatever you want for your travel insurance. So go back to this page. Obligations. So if you are working, if you are not the resident of, if you're not a citizen, if you're applying for visa outside your home country, these are the requirements that you need to provide too. So since me and my friend CJ, we both from the Philippines, we just provide our permit. If you are a student here in Thailand, then just provide your school documents. So these are all the documents. So once you completed all your documents, you need to email the embassy in Bangkok. That's the email address. You need to email them to get an appointment when you can submit your application. So that's the email address. Usually they reply about 24 to 48 hours. And then you just have to go to Bangkok, submit your documents, and pay for your visa fee. As I mentioned, the visa fee is 2,700 Thai baht. And then I have to wait for at least 4 to 8 weeks for your visa. In my case, exactly 4 weeks I received my visa. So they will email you once your visa decision has already arrived, and then you just have to go to Bangkok and pick up your visa. So if you have any questions, guys, please leave us a comment, and I'll be happy and willing to assist you or give you any information, or if you have any questions asked. Well, this is it for today. Just keep on watching if you wanted to see the journey of me and my friend CJ with our visa application in going to Ireland. So we'll have new videos of summertime in Ireland coming soon. In a couple of weeks we are flying to Ireland. And thank you so much again, guys, for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Ireland na tayo. Natatayong Cebu. Magsasabit kami ng documents ng aming Irish visa. See you soon, Ireland. Tayo na. nire-regla sa'yo.
It's a prayer. If you're lost, you can find me in the place where dreams don't fade. I'll be right here waiting through the dark, through the change. If you fall, I will guide you like the moon pulls back the tide. I'll be right here waiting, right here by your side. If you're lost, you can find me in the place where dreams don't fade. I'll be right here waiting through the dark, through the change. If you fall, I will guide you like the moon pulls back the tide. I'll be right here waiting, right here by your side. Maybe the world will turn to me like whispers floating on the sea. If you're lost, you can find me in the place where dreams don't fade. I'll be right here waiting through the dark, through the change. If you fall, I will guide you like the moon pulls back the tide. I'll be right here waiting, right here by your side.
My lane, then you stepped up, now I'm off the chain. Lights dim low, your silhouette wild, didn't plan to stay. But girl, you got style, every move got a rhythm, heat and tease. You ain't dancing, you command with ease. I lean back, but your pull is strong. One more beat and I'm already gone. Turn it up, let it roll, let that bassline take control. No rules, no maps, just you and me in this collapse. Turn it up, we don't pause, make them stare, break all the laws. If you feel it like I do, then turn it up and make it true.
You talk slick like you've done this twice, but your heart beats loud, don't roll that dice. I don't chase, I draw the line, but cross it right and I just might shine. I leave the floor with hips, not hands. You wanna fight, you take a stand. This ain't sweet, it's smoke and flash, and if you blink, I'll disappear fast. Turn it up, make it known, I don't follow, I claim the throne. No whispers, no fake, if you come close, don't hesitate. Turn it up, I don't break, set the pace and feel the quake. If you want me in your song, turn it up, don't play it wrong.
You spin with danger, dressed in red. Say one word and it's in my head. You sip slow, but your eyes scream fast. This might fade, but let's make it last. I move smooth, but you change the key. Now I'm off beat and loving the heat. So what's the plan? Don't say a word. Let the rhythm speak what's unheard. Turn it up, raise that flame. We're too loud to hide the name. No exit, no cue. We're the moment, break it through. Turn it up, lose the doubt. If you feel it, let it shout. Don't rewind, don't play it back. Just turn it up and fade to black.
Well, you got moves, but I've seen more. Charm like yours walks through every door. I don't want promises, just real play. So match my fire or move away. I came to dance, not to stay still, but you step right and I might feel. Just for tonight, I'll drop the guard. Turn me up, but no, it's hard. Turn it up, keep it high, like the moon owns the sky. No slow steps, no freeze, just sweat and truth in every beat. Turn it up, don't pretend this is fire, not just a trend. You want magic, here's your spell. Turn it up and give them hell.
Now we're locked in, feet won't quit. Every move got a little more grit. You test the line, I take the dare. This kind of game is never fair. You throw heat, I throw it back. And we both love how sparks attract. We ain't lovers, maybe not friends, but we both know how this one ends. Turn it up.
No last call, keep it loud until we fall. With a storm inside the sound, making noise, breaking ground. Turn it up, feel that spark. We shine brighter in the dark. If it's wrong, we'll still react. So turn it up, no turning back.
You play brave, but you breath gives way. I say more than words can say. I'll bend the rules and break the pace, but you keep up, now match my grace. Don't need forever, just tonight. Let the floor be our spotlight. We're too alive to fake the scene. Turn it up, let the rest stay clean.
Turn it up.
You made it to the fire.
Now don't stop
Whether or not it is clear to you, no doubt the universe is unfolding as it should. Therefore be at peace with God, whatever you conceive Him to be. And whatever your labors and aspirations, in the noisy confusion of life, keep peace in your soul. With all its sham, drudgery and broken dreams, it is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful, strive to be happy. Unfolding as it should. Therefore be at peace with God, whatever you conceive Him to be. And whatever your labors and aspirations, in the noisy confusion of life, keep peace in your soul. With all its shame,